One time when I was a young man a lifetime ago I moved to Australia for a year. Easily the best year of my life, despite my daily job in a meatpacking plant for a chicken company. I told the boss there I was going solo traveling for 2 weeks and just rode buses down the beautiful eastern coast. I made it down to Melbourne where they drink their beer in tiny glasses and instantly hit it off with 2 Swedish guys in the hostel. We decided to travel together and decided to go down to Bells Beach, where Point Break famously took place. We made it there and decided Keanu Reeves was full of shit, because the waves were less than a foot high. As it was getting dark we started checking for hostels or inns or a place to stay and the whole town was completely booked up, Saturday night. So we decided to go to a nightclub and take the first offer since it was raining and cold. Lars was a very attractive model-esque Swedish guy so of course he got the first offer and went home with the young beautiful Australian lady and gave us the thumbs up on the way out. Ule and I were standing around having some beers when 2 young Australian college women came right up to me. "You are American, right?" they asked. "Yes. We would like to share you." Ule gave me a giant grin and a thumbs up and whispered take the first offer so I went with the girls. By then it had stopped raining so we walked down by the beach and we all started making out passionately. My first threesome. I was afraid of STDs and I didn't know these girls so it was oral for me and also for Rebecca, who was obviously the most lesbian of the two. Afterwards we walked to Rebecca's house. She still lived with her parents. She started getting more bossy at this point and she said to me you take the floor. I laid there and listened to the two of them passionately make lesbian love until I fell asleep. In the morning I woke up with a bit of a hangover and the most urgent need to pee. I went to the bathroom and did what we call a Chiefs game piss where you lean against the wall at halftime and just go and go and go. I heard a deep male voice yelling Becca? Is that a man? Oh shit. I said and I grabbed my shirt and ran out the front door and down the road. I didn't even know where I was going, just kept running away from that crazy house. I kept running until I got to downtown Torquay where I found Ule and Lars and we took the bus back to Melbourne. A coming-of-age tale for me that rainy weekend in southern Australia so long ago.